How to fix Edge or Chrome hiding the taskbar when maximized in Windows. Press F11 on your keyboard. This key toggles the full screen mode on and off in most browsers. If that didn't work, toggle off the automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode option. Windows Explorer controls various UI components, including the taskbar. Restarting it can resolve any glitches. An outdated browser might have bugs or issues. Keeping it updated ensures smoother functioning. Select Windows PowerShell, Admin. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Incorrect display settings can sometimes interfere with the taskbar's visibility.